Let's say that this orange represents the Earth. How does a cartographer take this, a spherical 3D object, and turn it into a two-dimensional map using a flat piece of paper? Let's find out. Carefully remove the peel from the orange in one large piece. You'll want to create slits down the top of it on 3 different sides, about halfway down the orange. And then you're going to peel carefully so that you have it all in one piece. Like this. Now try to flatten it on the table. Not so easy, huh? And it doesn't look very much like this flat piece of paper, does it? Making a flat map of a round planet is a problem all cartographers or mapmakers have to deal with. For thousands of years, cartographers have been devising clever formulas to describe how points from one surface are transferred to another. We call these formulas map projections. However, every map projection distorts the world in some way. Let's start with a map you're probably familiar with. The Mercator projection, created by Gerardus Mercator in 1569, was designed to help explorers navigate the globe. But there's one big problem. To take a 3D sphere and put it onto a 2D map, you have to stretch the top and the bottom way out, which makes Greenland look huge. In reality, Africa is 14 times larger than Greenland. So cartographers have found other ways to project a map of the Earth onto a flat surface. Mercator used a cylinder. Others have projected onto cones, or even a flat plane. Ultimately, there's no perfect way to flatten the Earth. What do you think? Can you design a new map projection? Which one do you think is the best? Or does it depend on how you're using the map? To learn more about map projections, check out the activities, videos, and images on our website at natgeoed.org.